Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a groundbreaking exploration of the forces reshaping our global financial landscape. Today, we embark on a captivating journey that spans continents and transcends borders. Join us as we delve into the rise of the yuan and the inevitable decline of the dollar. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an enlightening 8-minute deep dive into this unfolding saga. The dollar's reign and challenges. For decades, the US dollar has reigned supreme as the world's reserve currency, wielding immense influence over the global economy. However, cracks in its dominance are starting to emerge. As countries seek alternatives and diversify their reserves, the dollar faces its greatest challenge yet. We examine the factors eroding its stronghold and the potential implications for the United States. The yuan's ascendancy. Enter the yuan, China's currency poised for a meteoric rise. Already surpassing the dollar as the most traded currency in some regions, the yuan's influence extends far beyond borders. We explore China's economic growth, its diplomatic finesse, and the key steps it has taken to propel the yuan onto the global stage. The ascent of the yuan marks a paradigm shift in the world of finance. Saudi Arabia's potential game-changer. In a development that could send shockwaves through the financial world, Saudi Arabia, a crucial player in the oil market, contemplates pricing oil in yuan instead of dollars. We analyze the motivations behind this bold move, its potential impact on the petrodollar system, and the geopolitical implications it carries. The repercussions could reverberate across continents, altering the balance of power. The birth of a multipolar reserve regime. A multipolar reserve regime looms on the horizon, challenging the dollar's hegemony. We delve into the potential emergence of a new global order, where the yuan takes center stage alongside the euro and other regional currencies. What would this mean for economic alliances, trade relationships, and the geopolitical landscape? We examine the prospects and consequences of a transformed monetary system. As our journey comes to an end, one thing is clear: the global financial order stands on the cusp of a momentous shift. The rise of the yuan poses both opportunities and challenges for nations worldwide. How will the dollar adapt? What will be the long-term effects on economies, trade, and everyday lives? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening voyage. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell to stay informed as we unravel the mysteries shaping our world. Together, let us navigate the tumultuous waters of the global financial order, where the yuan's triumph awaits.